Hello, welcome to our video presentation. We are Group 4 from class ACC407-BA09. Today, we will present our group project for the subject Fundamental Financial Accounting and Reporting. Our project was prepared for Madam Nohayati binti Matno, and our group members include myself, Daniel Saifuddin bin Zahidi, Nurul Atira binti Amran Gilbert, Muhammad Imran Arif bin Muhammad Khairi, and Nur Maisara Akila binti Hasbullah. The purpose of this project is to prepare a progress report and an interview by gathering financial and operational information about real-life business. It also helps us understand basic accounting concepts and how they are used in real businesses. We chose PETALS to You Enterprise because it is a well-established local business that offers more than just flower bouquets.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Imran Arif.
Now, I will be talking about business background for PETALS to You. PETALS to You is a sole proprietorship business founded and owned by Encik Amirullah Abdul Khalik in 2012 and has been operating for over 14 years. Managed by Puan Nur Suhaila Mat Rasik, PETALS to You now has 3 branches located in Sungai Buloh, Puncak Alam and Subang Jaya. Their services include flower bouquets and gift services, stage decoration for high-profile events at the Parliament and Istana Negara, stage decoration and flower arrangements for convocations, flower arrangement workshop. The business is well known for high quality and creative floral designs. Wedding decoration service Bridal Dais is a separate business for PETALS to You, owners of the business venture, but PETALS to You provides the flower arrangement for it. Flower arrangement classes are held and organized by PETALS to You.
Okay, next, I will be explaining about the owner's capital. The owner started the business with an estimated capital of 40,000 ringgit. This included personally owned decorations like fixtures, fans, chillers, aircons, computers, and cash register machine. The owner also regularly fund for yearly outlet decorations. This shows the owner's strong personal commitment to the business.
Hi, my name is Nur Maisara Akila binti Hasbullah. I will explain about accounting concept use. First is separate entity. The owner personal finance are not mixed with business transaction. Second is monetary measurement. All transactions are recorded using Malaysian Ringgit (RM). Next is going concern. The business is assumed to continue operating for the foreseeable future. Lastly is consistency. Business record and payment method are consistent. I will also present about asset and liabilities that PETALS to You have. PETALS to You has both current and non-current assets. Non-current assets include computer, chillers, light fixtures, aircon, cash register machine, and payment terminal, transportation vehicles, and office supplies. Next, current assets include fresh flowers, balloons, chocolate, gift box, basket, and wrapping papers. They also have liabilities.
Hi everyone, my name is Nurul Atira binti Amran Gilbert and I will be presenting about revenue and income source for PETALS to You Enterprise. Estimated revenue in a month for one outlet, PETALS to You can get around 50,000 ringgit Malaysia. And for all three outlets, it is estimated the revenue range is around 80,000 ringgit Malaysia to 100,000 ringgit Malaysia. So where is the source of income from? So income mostly prominently from flowers and gift sales. Petals to You has investment, which is also a source of income for this business. Also from subsidiary business like Darwish Garden, a landscaping business, and Balance to You. Petals to You regularly held and organize a flower arrangement workshops and classes, which also become a source of income for this business. Everyone knows that every business have an expenses. So I will be talking about business expenses for Petals to You. Business expenses Petals to You include flash flowers, which are replenished weekly or every 3 days. Delivery, which this business use runner service to post it to the customers. Utility bills such as electricity, water, and Wi-Fi. Employee salaries for the staff, helium gas refill, and chocolate stock to make sure the chocolate are not melting and free from expiry date. Other than that, they also have to pay outlet rental, and these are normal expenses for a business that focus on physical and perishable goods.
Types of recording methods at Petals to You. They use both manual and digital system to record their business transaction, digital, online. Most payments are made online through QR codes or bank transfer. This method is faster and more convenient for their customers. Petals to You use Microsoft Excel to keep and manage their record in an organized way. Most of their transactions are done using banking apps such as Maybank, Bank Rakyat, and CIMB Bank. Next, the online system used by Petals to You offers many advantages. This is the strength of the online recording system, which is fast, flexible, and easy to use, making daily operation more efficient. With global accessibility, transaction can be done both locally and internationally without hassle. It also saves time and storage space as everything is recorded digitally. Most importantly, all records are safely stored in the cloud, ensuring they are secure to easy to access anytime.
Next, online system also has an disadvantages. So, one major issue is their dependency on internet access and electricity. Without this, the system cannot function. But they are also come with several weaknesses. If the system is hacked or records are lost due to the technical failure, the damage can be serious. This risk make online system unprotected and highlight the importance of strong cybersecurity and reliable backups.
Next, I will be presenting about the manual recording method that is still used by Petals to You in their business. Manual recording methods such as physical books and cash payments are still available for walk-in customers who wants to pay with cash. For this kind of payment, records are kept in books alongside with computer systems and are used simultaneously. These are a few advantages of using manual recording method. Firstly, internet is not needed to use this recording method, which is very cost convenient since the business can save on Wi-Fi bills.
Secondly, it offers immediate physical proof of transaction, since transaction usually happens face to face. This in turn also helps in building trust between the business and the customers.
On the other hand, manual systems have their own disadvantages. They are generally harder to store, organize, and track, especially when dealing with a large number of documents. Physical records are prone to being lost, damaged by water or fire, or even stolen. Human error is another major issue, such as forgetting to record data or misplacing files. Poor handwriting and inconsistent record keeping can also reduce the clarity and accuracy of the information. All these weaknesses can slow down work processes and affect overall efficiency.
Now, I will talking about site visit. During the site visit, various items were identified and categorized into non-current assets, current assets, capital, and expenses. The shop building is classified as a non-current asset, with shop rental recorded as an expenses. The air conditioner and signboard, which were contributed by the owner, are considered part of the owner's capital. Then, fixtures were noted as non-current assets, with their usage contributing to the electricity bills. A chiller is also present, categorized as a non-current asset, with its operation adding to the utility bills. In terms of regular costs, employees' salaries were recorded as ongoing business expenses. A cash register and computer are used to record business transactions and are also considered non-current assets. Their operation relies on Wi-Fi, making utility bills part of the associated expenses. Several items were identified as current assets inventories, including balloon stock, teddy bears and gift cards for gifting service, gift baskets, fresh flowers, and chocolates. The purchase of goods for sale, such as chocolates, is recorded as an expense. The business also owns helium gas tanks, classified as non-current assets, while helium gas refills are a recurring expense. Lastly, electricity bills were highlighted as one of the major operating expenses due to the use of equipment, lighting, and other electrical appliances.
As we know, non-current asset is used for a business operation and not sold for a customers. This is a non-current assets, for example, online payment machine, where the customer have to pay the items using their debit or credit card. Another example that we got is balloon air pumper is an office equipment. Next is a non-current asset, electrical fan, expenses, electrical bill, where the owner have to pay for the bill utilities. Next to the non-current assets is the current assets, which is a bucket for sale, categorized as inventory because it have to be sold to the customers. Non-current asset is the shelving racks for the owner to put the items that to be sold. Current assets is the small balloons, which is categorized in inventories. Current asset, aircon, expenses, electrical bill, capitals, owner's contribution of aircon units. Next, online payment method using QR payment, and the asset is a business bank account, where the customers have to scan the QR to make the payment. Next to it is current asset, wrapping papers, categorized as inventories.
Non-current asset is a wrapping paper hanger rack. Next is the revenue, which is an income for PETALS to you enterprise. This revenue is sales from customers. And the last one is non-current asset, display tables and shelf, current asset, goods for sale, which is categorized and inventories. This is the evidence that PETALS to you enterprise has an SSM registration. SSM registration in Malaysia refers to registering a business with the Suruhanjaya Syarikat Malaysia, SSM, which is the Companies Commission of Malaysia. This registration is mandatory for all business operating in Malaysia to ensure a legal recognition and compliance with Malaysian business law. This is the PETALS to you flyers, and this is an evidence official letter of Paket Service for Parliament of Malaysia. And this is a magazine article of PETALS to you achievements. This visit gave us a clear view of how the PETALS to you enterprise operates daily. This is our timeline journey. On week 2, 8 April 2025, a briefing on project for Group Assignment 1 by our lecturer, Madam Nur Hayati binti Maknor, person in charge, all group members. 8 April 2025, form a group for project, person in charge, Dana Saifuddin bin Zahidi. 8 until 13 April 2025, find a business, person in charge, all group members. On week 3, 17 April 2025, project outline discussion, person in charge, Nurul Atira binti Amran Gilbert. On 8 April 2025, send email to Hal Ehwal Akademik, Fakulti Pengurusan dan Perniagaan to request for permission letter to interview with owner PETALS to you enterprise. Person in charge is Nur Maisara Akila binti Hasbullah. Week 4, 21 April 2025, dealing with PETALS to you owner. Person in charge, Muhammad Imran Arif bin Muhammad Khairi. 22 until 25 April 2025, continued discussion and preparation of question for the selected business. Person in charge, Nur Maisara Akila binti Hasbullah. Week 5 to May 2025, doing site visit to take pictures to be used in the reports. Person in charge, all group members.
Next, I will continue week 6 until week 9. Week 6 until 9 May 2025, compiling contents and final discussion to confirm the project draft that has been made before consulting. Person in charge, Daniel Saifuddin bin Zaidi. Week 7, 14 May 2025, interview with PETALS to you manager and representative Puan Saila, person in charge, all group members. Week 8, 19 until 23 May 2025, video presentation shooting, editing, and final change to project outline, person in charge, all group members. Week 8 until 7 May 2025, video presentation and completed project outline submission to lecturer Madam Nur Hayati binti Maknor, person in charge, Nurul Atira binti Amran Gilbert.
To conclude, this project helps us understand how basic accounting principles are used in the real business. By looking at how PETALS to you enterprise manage its capital, assets, revenues, and expenses, we learn how these concepts work into practice. We also saw some strengths and weaknesses in the way they record their financial information. Overall, it was a useful experience that helped us understand and connect what we learned in class into the real world. Thank you.